Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Jackson back with another update on the Georgia Tech Ridesharing Application. Now this update is just going to include primarily user interface updates, and it also includes a few little features and modifications, but it's mostly a UI tour and showing the comparison between the past and the present. So let's go ahead and make a jump on over to the application and see what's been changed. On the left you see the old edition of the application. It has these gray boxes for displaying the posts, a button, not very intuitive, it says YOLO, you click on it to create a post, and also just a overall white theme besides these gray backgrounds on the posts. But if you look over on the right, you'll see the newer edition. The first UI improvement I'd like to highlight is the way posts are displayed. No longer is a gray background used on the post. I've removed that and just added a gray outline around the post just for more clarity. Secondly, I've converted the YOLO button that was previously used to create a post into this beautiful plus button down here in the bottom right. So you click on the plus and it takes you to the create post screen. Lastly, for this screen, I've added the yellow theme, or I guess an old gold, kind of representing the Georgia Tech colors, being very school patriotic. And I've also added this posts, which is redundant with the navigation bar, but I believe that it will improve the user experience, just so there's a second place you can look if you're looking for what screen you're on when you're navigating around the application. Let's zip on over to the profile screen. Once again, on the left is the old version of the application, and then on the right is the new version. So the first thing I'd like to highlight is the way that text did not wrap in the About Me section. So now if you type over the first line, it just comes onto the second line instead of going infinitely off into the distance. And also, as you may have seen, the reset changes and update profile buttons popped up after I made a change. But let's see, if I change it and then I select reset changes, those buttons go away because you don't have any need for them until you've made a change to your profile. Also, if you do make a change, let's say I want to be Jack Dog, I can update my profile and the button will go away as well. And similar to the post pages, I still added that old gold Georgia Tech color to the top and the bottom, as well as the profile designation at the top to match the bottom. And a small little feature that I added in is the ability to log out. So now you can navigate out if you are done using the application, and then you can log back in with your credentials as usual. And here we go. Woohoo! Well, that basically wraps up this progress video showing you guys the UI updates. I'm feeling good even looking at the new application, and I hope you guys all felt great about it as well. As you may have noticed, I have integrated transitions into the video, and I hope that the video was spiced up by the transitions. Let me know if I'm using too many and you'd like me to just cut it down to one, or if you want me to use every transition out there, because I am catering these videos to you, the viewer, and these videos would not be able to be possible without the viewer. So I just want to thank you for watching, and just keep on your toes waiting for that next video. It's going to have new features, not too much UI, but I hope the application maintains its top tier beauty standard moving into the future. Thank you. Feel free to leave a like, leave a comment if you have any comments on this new UI. And thanks again.